In the past, I used to wonder, how is it that scientists, researchers come up with answers on forest health without even walking through the trees? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes because I had the first-hand experience flying drones in Mt Kei Forest to assess the health, restoration, environmental monitoring. Beyond that, we also had a fantastic and a nasty experience. Our generator, it failed in the middle of our mission. Stay tuned for more stories. Hello viewers, my name is Tina Mutarazi. Welcome to the channel where we explore the powerful narrative on God is in science and innovation. This is where we unpack innovations and professions that are specialized in the space of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. If you are at the intersection of your career or business, possibly aspiring to thrive in the space of science and innovations, why not make this your home by subscribing? Just press the button. I'm going to be sharing with you the most exciting part of my work at Uganda Flying Labs. This is where we'll show you how we use the drones to fly over the forest and capture multispectral data. Delve with me into my element. Every field mission presents an opportunity to learn, and our recent trip to Mt Kei Forest in Yumbe District was no exception. Our team embarked on an exciting mission to capture high-quality multispectral imagery using an unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) for vegetation health and monitoring restored areas. In collaboration with Ramani GeoSystems and forestry experts, we used the drone technology to provide accurate data that supports informed conservation decisions. Mt Kei Forest, managed by Equatorial Forest Company, is being restored after years of degradation caused by charcoal production and other unsustainable activities. We were honored to contribute to this important mission of restoring forests, protecting biodiversity, and combating climate change. As Titus 3:14 reminds us, our people must learn to devote themselves to doing what is good in order to provide for urgent needs and not live unproductive lives. Before any drone flight, planning is key. We prepared our flight missions in advance to ensure flight coverage of the survey area using a mobile application that uploaded our selected maps. Once in the field, we carried out ground truthing using survey equipment to align our maps with real-world coordinates. The beauty is that the forest has young trees giving good access to pathways. After checking the weather, GPS signals, batteries, flight settings, it was time to fly. Watching the drone rise above the forest canopy is always exciting. With its multispectral cameras, it captured images in different spectral bands, allowing us to see details beyond the human eye can detect. These images will later help us assess vegetation health, canopy condition, moisture stress, and forest restoration progress. Every flight was recorded in logbooks so that every dataset was properly documented. These flight datasets are essential for researchers, conservationists, foresters, and land managers working to protect natural ecosystems and make informed decisions. Landing the drone was only the first step. Each evening, I transferred the images to my computer and used Pix4D fields to check the quality of the data. This was important because we needed to confirm that every part of the survey area had been captured clearly. It was also for checking on gaps, blurred images, or poor overlaps. We had to repeat those flights with the next day flight. Doing quality checks in the field saved time and helped us return with complete usable data. One of the biggest challenges during the mission was not the drone, it was the generator. On the second day, the generator failed and we could no longer fly and charge batteries properly. Since battery charging is essential for continuous flight operations, this slowed us down. We quickly hired another generator locally and moved our charging station to a nearby trading center. However, the area was very hot. The lithium batteries do not charge well in high temperatures. Charging became slow and we lost valuable time. The next day, we made a simple but effective change by placing the generator under a tree where the temperature was cooler. That improved charging efficiency and helped us to complete the remaining flight on time. Fieldwork teaches you to adapt quickly and solve problems as they come. I embarked on an adventure by crossing the dividing Kei River to greet some Sudanese border post soldiers. It gave me thrills. This experience rebooted me from the fieldwork tension. After 4 days of productive work, we completed all the flights and returned to Kampala. Once back, we did another round of data verification and generating preliminary orthomosaics to make sure everything was complete and ready for processing. This mission reminded me that drone mapping is not just about flying. It takes planning, teamwork, quality control, and flexibility. Every data set we collected will contribute to forest restoration, environmental monitoring, and sustainable natural resource management. Thank you for watching this vlog. What a commendable job EFC is doing in Yumbe to restore the forests. If you have loved every part of this, please don't forget to share and subscribe. I would also want to hear your feedback on the most exciting parts of the vlog. Till next time, keep learning, keep inspired, keep innovating.